Stop recording.
Still drinking my Starbucks.
And they had to hire a new one. More moments later.
Still drinking my Starbucks. More moments.
What?
Look, if your wife's
Still
scared
drinking
of
my
a guy
Starbucks.
tomorrow, not very flexible, not great at saying.
Put it on there.
Yes, I'm going to.
Now they have unlimited for just $30 a month.
A little later.
And they're number one in customer satisfaction.
This number deleted.
Deleting it. So break free from the big three.
Switch to Xfinity Mobile and Internet and save up to $400 a year over AT&T. Visit the Switch Slide in store or learn how much you can save at xfinitymobile.com/mysavings.
Everyone wants to know how much a loan from Dollar Loan Center really costs, and it's way less than most people think.
Later.
It costs $2.75 per day in interest. So if you need it for a week, $19.25. That's it. No fee to
No, it's recording.
Huh?
You can record from the app.
Critics want you to think you have to pay back 2, 3,
That's how you get these sound effects, such as.
Later. Later.
Apply or find the location online at don'tbebroke.com.
Matt, want to feel younger, stronger, leaner? You don't have to slow down.
Later. 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 Much later. Much later. Much later. Much later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Our most powerful fat incinerator ever. The key ingredient to help you get back into shape fast. Absolutely free. That's SEEK.
The old.
1321. Hey, Giants fans, I'm Cole Kuiper.
And I'm Giants insider Alex Pavlovich.
We're the hosts of the Giants Talk podcast.
We're going to cover everything you need to know about the Giants. Let's get to work.
Later. In the void.
Later in the voice.
Beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Oracle Park as we get ready to wrap up this 4-game series. It's the Cubs, it's the Giants.
Just then.
Sports Barely home of the authentic fan as the Giants take the field. Mike, we touched a little bit on Longoria. I guess it just goes to say that it's next man up. Next man up. Really a hard collision last night between Brandon Crawford and Evan Longoria. And we thought for...
Just then. Soon after.
That's the good news is he doesn't. The bad news is he's on the injured list, and it may be weeks before we see Longoria back in a Giants uniform. So, too bad for the Giants, but they have seemed to just weather these injury storms.
It again.
Continue to do that.
Late
All right, let's take a look at the Cubs lineup, and it's brought to you by your Bay Area GMC dealers. It'll be Rizzo and then Brian, as Mike mentioned, Oden, John Cueto, followed by Hap, Bias, and Hayward.
And they had to hire a new one.
Patrick Wisdom. Wisdom will hit in the 6th slot, and it's Sogard, PJ Higgins, and Kyle Hendricks. On the hill today for the Giants will be the red-handed veteran Johnny Cueto.
Later. In the void. Just then.
8 starts, 4-1 with a 3.45 ERA. 36 strikeouts against 6 walks.
Soon after.
Johnny Cueto, you're going to see a fastball. He'll 2 and 4 seam. He's got a slider, curveball.
Late again.
I mean, not a whole lot that he won't throw. We all love the way that he throws it because it's never really the same. Windup from pitch to pitch. Lifetime against the Cubs, he's 9-9 with a 3.41 ERA. He's thrown 161 lifetime innings against Chicago.
Eventually.